Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video and wherever you're watching this video from. This is coming from Sufficient Grace Clothing, and I'm about to do a tutorial video on how to use a snap plier or the foreign press button clamp based on high demands. And as we all know, there are no instructions on how to use this, so let's go. So this is the complete pack coming with the complete set of buttons and other accessories and tools, both the ones for replacement. Though there are other brands of this product, but this brand is more preferable and I guess more durable as well. So this is the snap plier itself. The snap plier itself, or the foreign press button clamp. And this one here is the tool used for piercing holes in dresses, and this is just a regular screwdriver for loosening and tightening. And this is the snap button, otherwise known as foreign press button, that comes with caps on both sides and the studs and the sockets. So here they are. So these are the caps which appears on both sides of the dress, and these are the studs and the sockets which are male and female. Look how different they are. You can see the difference. So first thing you have to do is you mark out the position of the buttons on your dress. As you can see, they're already marked out. So after marking, you just have to pierce the holes on the position of the buttons of where you've marked. So you make sure the dress is equal and both under edges are relaxing equally on each other. Then you take your pin and pierce the holes on the position of the dress. Make sure it appears on both sides. Now let me take the camera closer. It appears on both sides to make your button so neat. You can see. See, on both sides I've already pierced the holes. Now you just have to fix the buttons. You see how this looks. See how this other side looks. They are both for the opposite sides of the dress. And now, after piercing, the first thing you do on the left, and that's on the right, So on this part, on the left part, this is the first part you will work on. Take a look at the button closely, which goes on the left, and then you have to insert the cap on the pierced hole as shown, and then you add your button to it. Then you use the snap plier just to clamp it down. Yeah, you can see. And you make sure the button, the cap of the button sits on that black spot at the under. Yeah, you can see, and also at the top it laps with that. Yeah, you can see that middle part sits directly under the rod, so you can be able to press it down to clamp it down, and it covers the button entirely. You press firmly on it, and yeah, that center gets crushed. So that's what holds the button together. So that's for the left side, and this is also for the right side. Remember, you have to place the buttons on opposite directions. Please, if you are enjoying this video, if you are gaining any knowledge from this video, please do it to like, follow this page, and share this video for others to see. So this on the right side, I have to repeat the same process. You see, just as simple as that. And if you have any questions, you can please drop a comment and I will be there to respond. Yeah, see how good it looks. So our snap button is set, or rather our foreign press button is ready. You see.
Yeah, so this is a project I just completed with the snap plier. Please, if you really derived knowledge on how to use this tool, or you know someone who needs it, please share this video, follow and like this video for more. Please share this video so you can get to a wider audience. Thank you very much.